Ever wondered, what does your greatest enemy look like? It's not out there. It's within you. It shows up in every moment when you could have done something great but didn't. It appears when you're tired, when you're alone, when you're bored, and it whispers, just for a bit, just once, it'll make you feel better. It's in those moments, in those exact situations, that I'll say, defeat temptation, embrace your mission. This isn't just a line, it's a declaration of war. A war against that part of you that makes you weak, that traps you in short-term pleasures and pulls you away from your bigger dreams. Every person has two voices inside them. One says, just this once, no one's watching. The other says, stop, you're better than this. The question isn't which voice speaks louder. The real question is, which one will you listen to? Every time you choose distraction to comfort your body, you push your goals one more day into the future. But every time you control yourself, you don't just win over desire, you begin to conquer the world. From this moment, make a promise to yourself that you won't lose yourself anymore. You'll finally find yourself. Because this battle isn't external, it's happening inside you. And that's where the story of defeat begins. But you weren't made to lose. You were made to fight for the person you're meant to become. What is temptation? It's not some powerful monster. It's just a moment of weakness that pulls you away from your real mission. Every time you give in, you don't just lose time, you lose trust in yourself. But every time you stop yourself, a new belief is born, a new energy, a new self-respect. Because true victory isn't what the world sees, it's what you achieve within. So when that feeling comes again, what will you do? Step 1, learn to pause. Temptation never lasts long, it's just a matter of minutes. You just have to survive the moment. Put the phone down, close your eyes, take 10 deep breaths. Awaken the lion inside you. Step 2, move your body. Stand up, do push-ups, run, stretch. Action resets your mindset. As soon as the body gets active, it sends a new signal to the brain, I'm in control now. Step 3, channel the energy into creation. The energy you were going to waste on temptation, put it into a project. Write something, sketch, think of an idea, work on your business plan. Your creative energy is your real power. The day you discover that is the day transformation begins. Now ask yourself, what do you want? A fake pleasure that vanishes in 2 minutes? Or the deep peace that comes when you're aligned with your mission? You have to choose a weak moment or a strong future. Listen, this battle happens in every man. No one is perfect, but the one who wins is the one who rises, refocuses, and keeps moving forward. Killing temptation is not a one-time thing. It's a daily decision, a daily commitment. Nothing matters more than my mission. You're not alone. We're all fighting this battle. And when we remind each other of what we're capable of, who we can become, we don't just change ourselves, we change an entire generation. So now get up. This isn't some motivational video, this is a call. A call from your life, your future, your real self. Remember, focus is the weapon that'll take you where you want to go. And distraction is the chain that'll keep you stuck where you've always been. The choice is yours. You must decide.